What's going on, guys? This is Joey here, and I'm about to play Cat Mario. For those you don't know, Cat Mario is like Mario, but a cat. Alright, let's get it started. Level 1. Jesus, music is terrible. Oh my god. What have I gotten myself into? How the fuck? Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, I give up. Fuck it. Yeah. What? Ooh. What the fuck was that? Why is he smiling? What the fuck was that? Oh, great, I got 2 lives left. Genius. Oh god. Yeah. Okay. I got this. Yeah. Mushroom. Should I take it? I'll take it. I'll take this. No! What the fuck? You motherfucker. Great. I only got 1 life left. Alright, I can do this, man. I can do this. We got this. I got this. We got this. I got this. Oh god. You motherfucker. 0 life. What? I thought I died. Okay, I can do this. Believe in me. -1? What? Okay. Okay. Where's that bitch? Where is that bitch? Where is he? There you are, you motherfucker. Yeah. Smart ass. No! I hate you. I just changed the key. Okay. Come on. You walk so slow. Why? Thank you. No! I got this. I know. I hate you. Alright, let's do this again. I got this. Seriously, can I turn off this music? How do you turn off the music? How do you turn it off? This is really annoying. It's frustrating. It's irritating me. Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay, I just noticed. Why the fuck do you walk like this? Like it's flexing his biceps. Do you see his moves? This is good. Oh shit. Why didn't it not pop out that time? Really? Sounded gay, sorry. I'm alive! Yeah! Okay, let's go. No! I made it. There's something's gonna kill me in here, isn't it? Made it. What the fuck? No, don't do this to me. God. Really? I got this. I got. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay. No, 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 no. You thought you were gonna get me, huh? Not today, motherfucker. Yeah. Okay. Cloud. You don't have a face. I will trust you this time. What the fuck? You. Fuck you, Cloud. Fuck you. Fuck you. Doink! 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 Ah! Doink! Why? I hate my life. I got this. Okay, no more playing around. I got this. I got this. No more playing around. Super Chinese man. I will become the Super Chinese man. Stairs. I don't trust stairs. I knew it. I knew it. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Yeah! Yeah! Did I make it? Did I make it? What the? No, 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 no! I can't move! No! What? I couldn't move! I couldn't move! Are you serious? How the fuck am I supposed to pass this shit? Getting frustrated. Well, you know, I'm just here wasting my life playing this game. I feel so amazing, you know. I'm a 17-year-old dude playing Cat Mario. That's what I like, cat, not cat. Hey, baby, you should learn how to pronunciate things. What is it, like speed challenge? I don't think Cat Mario has speed. Okay, I got this. Okay, I got this. No! 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 Oh, damn it. I don't want to play this game anymore. No, cat. Come on, you gotta say grabber. You motherfucker. I hate you. -9, great. Let's go. Let's go! Oh, no! No! Come on, my grandma's faster walking than all of you. Okay, I got it. You fucking laser. I hate you, laser. I hate you. I hate you. I hate motherfucker. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Seriously, what the hell am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing playing this shit game? You know what? I am so through with this game. I'm probably gonna end up playing more later, but God, no! I forgot about the fuck this game. Oh, I'm done with this. No, I'm done. I'm done. Screw this. I'm out.